Here's how you raise capital. Lots of people are very interested in raising capital, but they don't know how. The thing is you've got to be loud and proud online and show the world what you're doing. Show people who you are. That's called your personal brand. Tell people what you stand for. Show them what you are all about, and that's what's going to get you to the next level. And now, through your personal brand, you'll see that as you're posting, you're seeing that people are actually paying attention. Like on Facebook, I've got 6,400 followers right now, and a lot of people, they don't even comment. And then when some random post I put out, next thing you know, it goes wildfire. Now I've got all these people who are randomly sharing and also conversating and communicating about what I've got going on. Your personal brand is out there and it's what you make it to the world. Number two is knowledge. You want to get knowledge. So if you're a real estate person like me, you need to have knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, then you need to go into the real estate meetups. You need to go into conferences, seminars, read books, get involved in the world that you are wanting to get into, and make sure you can speak that language. Number three is the experience. Experience, once you have the knowledge and you put that knowledge in processing and you show the world, again, what you've done. So personal branding is one, knowledge is two, and then three is the experience. Put it out there to the world and see what the world will do for you.